baby robins in their nest. Their mother comes, feeds them, and then their father comes back and feeds them. Look at that. I left that nest was from last year. This is the Kentucky Wonder by Randy. It's something them birds will bring them food. And I guess it's the father bird gives them breaks. That mother sat on there every night. Now they've hatched. Look at it, wanting something to eat. They're dedicated. The mother and father bird is, that is. She was just there and flew away. Kentucky Wonder by Randy in eastern Kentucky. May the 28th. Yeah. We're going to say bye-bye.